In the intriguing world of numerology, did you know your driver's license number holds significant meaning? Yes, that's right. Every digit in your number carries a unique vibration, a cosmic energy that influences your life's journey. Consider this: the first digit represents your spiritual growth, while the second signifies your worldly ambitions. The third digit? It mirrors your innermost desires, and the fourth? Well, it's all about your relationships. Now the real magic happens when we add these numbers together. The sum total, your life path number, provides a roadmap to your destiny. It's like having a personal GPS guiding you towards success, love, and fulfillment. Whether you're a fiery sports enthusiast or a calm, composed individual, understanding your driver's number can provide valuable insights into your life's trajectory. So, go ahead, decode your unique numerological sequence today and steer your life in the direction you desire. Remember, in the grand scheme of the universe, you're not just a driver, you're a voyager navigating through the cosmic highway of life.